If your dishwasher not draining Amana, it can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it to get through your daily chores. But don't worry, there are several common issues that might be causing this problem. And with a little troubleshooting, you can fix it yourself without needing to call a technician right away. One of the first things to check when your dishwasher not draining Amana is a clogged or dirty filter. The filter helps prevent food particles and debris from clogging up the drain. Over time, these particles can accumulate and block the flow of water. To fix this, remove the bottom rack of the dishwasher to access the filter. Take it out and give it a good cleaning. You can rinse it under warm water to remove any built-up debris. Once it's clean, put it back in place and try running a short cycle to see if the drainage problem is resolved. If cleaning the filter doesn't help, the next thing to check is the drain hose. The hose can sometimes get clogged with food particles or become kinked, which prevents water from draining properly. Inspect the hose for any visible obstructions or bends. If you find a blockage, try clearing it with a long, flexible brush or by disconnecting the hose and running water through it. Be sure the hose is not twisted or pinched, as this could also restrict water flow. After clearing or adjusting the hose, test the dishwasher again to see if the water drains, as it should. Another issue that might cause your dishwasher not draining Amana is a malfunctioning drain pump. The drain pump is responsible for pushing the water out of the dishwasher and into the drain system. If the pump becomes clogged with debris or stops working altogether, your dishwasher won't be able to drain properly. If you hear a humming sound during the drain cycle, but no water is leaving the dishwasher, it could be a sign that the pump is failing. In this case, you may need to replace the pump, which is a more advanced repair. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's best to call a professional technician to handle it. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as a clogged air gap, which is a device installed on your sink to prevent backflow. If the air gap is blocked, it can cause water to back up in the dishwasher and prevent it from draining. You can check the air gap by removing the cover and cleaning out any debris that may be obstructing it. Once it's clear, run a cycle to see if that resolves the drainage problem. Finally, if all else fails, your dishwasher not draining Amana could be a sign of a more serious issue with the control board or solenoid. If the control board is malfunctioning, it may not be sending the correct signals to the pump to allow for drainage. Similarly, a faulty solenoid can prevent the drain valve from opening. Both of these issues require professional repair, so it's best to call a service technician if you suspect a problem with these components.